Hey everybody, this is the Sliders Review, and I'm here today to talk to you about a phrase I'm so sick and tired of hearing on YouTube, mainly from like certain YouTubers that are toxic, other ones that are not toxic, and pretty much anybody who's like not a person of color, aka white. The phrase I'm tired of hearing, other than woke and everything, is now that's how you race bend the character. Stop saying that. You sound so ignorant and so prejudiced when you utter that phrase and everything. Cause it's so bizarre how I hear people always utter that phrase. And I've been hearing it a lot lately. Um and stuff. Like basically in their minds, characters should not be race bent. But the exception is if a actor or actress is really good at acting and portray that role like very like immaculate and everything, then they in their minds they're like, well, hey, that's how you race bend the character by having like a really good actor or actress and stuff. And I'm so sick and tired of hearing that phrase. Now, what if you race bend the character and their acting's all right, but it's not like amazingly great? Well, then what do you say? Well, apparently, oh, that's not how you race bend a character. You're just gonna alienate people. And you're just gonna piss people off and blah 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 blah. But then, like, when they say it in real time, they don't think about it. Like it sounds so prejudiced. It sounds so ignorant. That's like saying, like, say you have a person. I don't know. It could be any race. Let's just go with the typical one, black and white. A black guy date a white girl, and say it's say he's like say like not thuggish, not ghetto, very proper, very prim, and he dates that white girl, right? And then what people gonna say? Now that's the type of black person you want to date right there. See, that's the same thing as saying, well, that's how you race bend the character and everything. Like it sounds so ignorant. It really does. And most people don't realize how ignorant it sounds until they hear it in their little stupid head and everything. And I'm getting so sick and tired of hearing that. Now, I have said in the past that like what makes it's not like woke culture that's like killing everything. It's not having good writers, not good directors, not good showrunners, and not good actors and actresses and everything. And so basically, um like my thing is, if you're gonna make any project good, especially if you throw in a bunch of people of character, a bunch of like strong women, a bunch of like LGBT people, you want to make sure every single last thing on point. The same way it would be if it's a predominantly white show and everything. And so like that's fine. Like saying something like that is fine because no matter what, you want a good show, you want a good movie and stuff. But I get so sick and tired of everybody always saying, well, that's how you race bend the character, or that's how you gender bend the character and everything. So, okay, how about this? Say it's a predominantly white movie, right? And the character is based off some like novel or book or a past movie or something like that, right? And they're playing an actual white person, right? And say their acting sucks, it's not good. Well, what are you gonna say then? Well, that's not how you act. Like you see what I'm saying here? Like you see what I'm getting at right here? And it's just like, I hate when people constantly say that. They always throw it in with good acting. They're all like, well, I'm always hearing it for so many different you. Well, if you race bend a character, you have to have a good actor and have a good actress. You have to have that no matter what. Not just if you race bend a character. And I wish so many people would stop saying that. And I wish so many people would stop saying, Well, you know, when you race bend a main person, like a main character who's very well known, that's gonna rub people the wrong way. But you can get away with it if you like race bend a character that's minor or not that important. No, that just sounds as ignorant as saying, well, that's how you race bend the character. Stop saying that. Alrighty, well, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.